After basic figures of commands of dimensions, we have two special commands in dimensions. Okay, that can be also used for simpler operation. Okay, that is the continuous option in dimension. Okay, so what it will do is it will continue the linear dimension command one after the other. So it can be used in some these like features. Okay, so I want to start with this. First I want to go with the linear dimension. Okay, so first I will give linear dimension between this point and this point. Let us say I want this to be 20. Okay, so this is the dimension I want, and then I go to continue dimension. Okay, this continue dimension option will continue the previous dimension from that point, and just you can click what dimension you want and it will keep on continuing one after the other. Okay, so after clicking the last point you can just press escape and that will give you the continuous dimension. Okay, very helpful option for giving the continuous dimensions. We will see it again. Give the linear dimension first. Okay, little more, and then go to select that dimension and then go to continuous. That continuous dimension will start, and just click on points from which you want that linear continuous dimensions. Okay, so this can be done, continuous dimension. Now in some cases what you need is the baseline dimension. So I am using linear option to give this as a height of 15, and then instead of continuous I am going for the baseline. Now what baseline will do is baseline will keep on repeating the base of the original dimension. Okay, so if I am selecting baseline dimension, so it will keep on selecting the baseline. Now you have to just make sure those dimensions are not overlapping. This is the baseline dimensions. Okay, this can be also used, baseline dimensions. Okay, so these are the two important special options in dimension command. One is the continuous option and one is the baseline option. There is one more option which is called a quick dimension. Okay, so quick dimension, what it will do is it will predict what you want to give as a dimension. If I select a line, it will give length of that dimension. If I select a circle, it will give radius. Okay, this is the quick dimension option. That also can be used. Many people use quick dimension. Okay, a quick dimension option. The system will decide what dimensions user want to give. Okay, sometimes it is helpful, sometimes it will give the dimensions you don't want. Okay, so I usually avoid using quick dimensions. I go with the basic commands of dimensions and the special commands. Okay, thank you.